Oh, Cesar, we have Kiss Me. Gets away immediately. Down on the inside, luck to win. Loretta rushing about the outside. Now is so discreet. Racing in Peep, Holy Trish, Simple Beauty. Then followed by 24 Horas and Mr. G is the early trailer. We have Kiss Me goes on by about 4 lengths. Oh, so discreet in second. Luck to win now in third. Loretta is racing in fourth. Holy Trish, Simple Beauty, 24 Horas and Mr. G racing in last. And that's still Kiss Me by about 3 lengths now. Oh, so discreet. Down on the inside third. Luck to win. 4 lengths away in fourth. Loretta, Simple Beauty, Holy Trish. And a long way back to Mr. G and 24 Horas. And it's still Kiss Me by about 4 lengths. Luck to win remains in second. Oh, so discreet. Moving up Loretta, Simple Beauty. Down on the inside third. Then comes Holy Trish. Kiss Me by about 5 lengths. Simple Beauty now in second. Luck to win Loretta as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Kiss Me by about 2 lengths. Simple Beauty is down on the inside. Kiss Me followed by Simple Beauty down on the inside. Kiss Me, Simple Beauty is running by Drill. Kiss Me, Simple Beauty. And finally, Kiss Me, Simple Beauty, Loretta, Luck to win. Then comes Holy Trish, Mr. G, oh so discreet, 24 Horas.
Ang race na lang, race 11, malapit na race mo. Alright. Tuloy-tuloy po ang anibersaryo ng Manila Horse Power Racing Festival dito sa San Lazaro Leisure Park. And this time, it's the Manila Horse Power President and Chairman's Cup dedicated sa paborito naming trainer. Walang iba kundi si Cap Abong Guste! Tahimik lang yan, pero ibang klase mag-trainer yan. Yan, alright. At presidente pa ng Trainers Association. Kasama rin natin dito yung mga kaibigan natin trainers, sila Trainer Edwin Vitali, sila Dodek Vicente, at mamaya meron tayong pakarera sa last race para sa Trainers Group. Kasama natin siyempre President and Councilor Ferdy Eusebio, sir. President ng Manila Horse Power yan. Chairman Edwin Giliarte, sir. Chairman Edwin, wala. Siyempre from President-elect, President for this year, si Mr. Noni Neri. Alright. At ang magagandang lalaki ng Manila Horse Power. Yes. May energy pa ba kayo? Anong bu? At ang dalawang sexy nating muse, si Denise at saka si Justin. Sana naman may makalikan sila ngayon. Alright, ang nanalo po dito sa ating race number 7, the President and Chairman's Cup, ay walang iba kundi ang kabayong Kiss Me na pag-aari ni Mr. Nick Atienza, trained by Jess Pabilik. Sino po ang tatanggap? Representative ng... Alright. Si Wally Manalo. Alright, ang representative ni Nick Atienza, may-ari ng kabayong Kiss Me. Alright, tanggap siya ng plake. Bayang karirista, itong mga pinamimigay po natin plake ay hindi kagaya ng mga nakaraang racing festival namin. Ngayon po, pati yung pangalan ng kabayo, pangalan ng may-ari, trainer at jockey, nakalagay mismo kaagad sa plake. Ayan, kung may focus lang natin, cameraman Manoy. Ayan, para nakalagay na kaagad ang mga pangalan ng winning connections. At syempre, ito pong karera na to ay meron din tayong premyo para sa SOTA. Wally, sino ba ang SOTA natin? Pare, tatanggap ng mountain bike. At saka added price of 10,000 to the winning owner. Alright, and 5,000. Kaya lang hindi class D jockey yung nanalo eh. Sayang. Alright. Cons, meron ba tayong pamimigay na plake? Alright, eto na. Dasagasaan ang bisikleta. Papasa na natin ang ating ang microphone sa ating presidente, Councilor Ferdy Eusebio, at may babasahin siyang tribute para sa ating paboritong trainer na si Cap Abong Guste. Sir?
the 2012 Manila Horsepower's President and Chairman race in honor of Pablito Abonguse for welcoming and partnering with Manila Horsepower in the sports program of the horse racing industry and to acknowledge his unwavering support to Manila Horsepower Regular Racing Festival and various socio-civic activities. Signed President Antonio Neri, Chairman yours truly, and Chairman Emeritus Edwin Guillarte.
Yes, ayan po, Bayang Karirista, ang plaque na inabot natin sa ating paboritong kapitan ng Makati at isang veteranong racehorse trainer. Magmula noon, kasama natin yan sa Manila Horsepower. Kap, pagkakataon mo na, one long Senate meeting.
Good afternoon, Bayang Karirista. Sana po nananalo tayo, pero dihado na winner take all. Baka may 6 points pa rin. Maraming salamat po sa Manila Horsepower sa akin pong natanggap na karangalan. Yun lamang po. Magandang hapon kayo.
Kap, hindi pa tapos ang sorpresa namin sa iyo. Dahil sa matagal na nating pinagsamahan ng Manila Horsepower at ng Trainers Group at lalong-lalo na ng barangay mo na sumasakop sa kabilang karera nung araw, meron pa kaming regalo sa iyo. Surprise to! Chairman Edwin, sir, meron ba tayong bibigay sa kanya? May isang brand new Nokia cellphone ka daw. Galing sa Manila Horsepower. Nandun sa taas, hindi pa bayad, babayaran pa lang. Biro lang. Alright. Alam mo ba kung sino ang mayor ng Mandaluyong?
Hindi po.
So, taga saang country ka ba?
Taga Cavite din.
Ay, taga Cavite. Ikaw, kilala mo kung sino ang mayor ng Mandaluyong?
Hindi. Benjamin Abalo.
Yan! Yan ang susunod na karera natin mamaya sa race number 8. Pagkatapos sa mga taga Makati, mga taga Mandaluyong naman, Bayang Karirista, and we will be right back with the Mandaluyong Mayor Ben Arabalos race coming up in just a short while.